So let's look. I hope you can see something. So we are live, waiting for other people to come in this channel. I will answer your question. So first question, it will go down, but it can also go up. No, I think the price of Bitcoin will go here to the downside, yeah, not upside. Second, don't see how it can go to 9,000 with all the adoption going around. It get gobbled up real quick. Uh, I will I can show you why the price will go here to 9,000. I wait that many people come to the channel so I can show you why the price of Bitcoin will go here to 9,000. Yeah. So hello together. So Gruß von Poland. Same back. Um, Gruß means many greets to Poland. Yeah. Hi. I have a subscriber from all of the world. Yeah, from Africa, from New Zealand, from England, Italy, America, Germany, France, Spain. Yeah, so you're welcome. I wait a little bit that I would say that the chat is full or many people come to the chat. And also Turkey. Yeah. So I would say let's start. One question was why the price should go to 9,000. This was the first question. Why I think that the price of Bitcoin will go to 9,000. Let's look. So the prediction what I made here, at this point, the Moon Boys said, okay, the price will go here to 200,000. Yeah, you can look to the past. Now we have the situation that the prices fall to the downside to 34,000, make a retest to 48,000. Let's look how many the price is going here to the upside. These are nearly 15,000. So 15,000 be going here to the upside. Let's look how many thousand be going here to the downside. This was 15,000, 33,000 to 48,000. This is our neckline. Yeah, and you can look how many we going here to the downside. These are only 5,000. Yeah, and that's the point. This is only a pre-step. This is an inverse hammer. So the rest, yeah, from this 15,000 coming to the downside. So I expect here a downtrend from 10,000. Yeah, so we are in a symmetric area so that we can say, okay, this was a hammer, an inverse left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation, and we will see the rest. Yeah, these are 5,000. The rest of the 10,000 here to the downside. Yeah, so I expect here to 20,000. So if we are then finished, if we are going to 20,000, What do you think? I would say no, because we have here a very aggressive formation. Look, please wake up. Moon boys, there are one or two moon boys, they look to my channel. Please, moon boy, wake up so that you can present this, what I make here, to your subscriber. Yeah. What we see here, this is a very dangerous constellation, a big, look, from 2021, big inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And exact, our neckline is going from here. Look, the big neckline. Yeah, that was the small neckline. This is the big neckline. So we already break the neckline and prepare us to go really to the downside. Yeah, really. I mean not the small downtrend. Yeah, really bad to the downside. And one subscriber asked me why the price should go here to 9,000. That is here the answer, because we have at 9,000, yeah, this is 9,000 here. At 9,000 we have a really good support. Yeah. You can see also from this Fibonacci levels, yeah, you can see that we have at 24,000 a Fibonacci level and nearly 10,000, 9,000 a Fibonacci level. Yeah, so it makes sense to fall, that the price is falling to these levels here, 10,000, 9,000. So I read the chat. So, can you explain how you define a hammer structure or over a long time period? It's a good question. It's a very smart question. A hammer is, if we start from this point, I make this in green, yeah, and go back to his base. This is for me a hammer. Yeah, that's the reason why you see after this hammer a big move to the upside. Keep this in your mind. After a hammer, really good upside trend is coming. That's the reason why after this big hammer, the price of Bitcoin will explode. Yeah, the moon boys were too early. They not recognize at this point that we have to go here to the downside, and that's the point what I often say in my channel. No, we will go here to the downside, and they say to me, I'm bearish, clown, or something like that. Yeah, but at the end of the day, they looking now like clowns. But you can see we have to go here to the base back. And our base is here, and the price will go here to the downside. And after this big hammer here, look here, this big hammer, the price of Bitcoin will go to 200,000. Yeah. The price will go very hard to the upside, and my prediction is 250,000 to 200,000. Yeah. But keep this in your mind. This is not overnight. We need this time. Look, 2017 to 2021, 4-year cycle. So I think we need here time, 2022, 4-year, I would say 2025 to 26. Yeah, there you can see the really hard upsides. Yeah, here you will see only spikes. You can make here also a lot of gains, but the really hard upside is here. So let's look to the next question. XCP is dead, brother, forget that. No, no, yo, Gem, yeah, the subscriber name is Gem. He said, XCP is dead, brother, forget. No, 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 no. XCP is not dead. No, 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 no. That is not that. I have a really big smile if I look to the XCP. For me, is XCP extreme good. Forget the ECC. These are now only clowns. Yeah, they make no only politics. The really hard facts is you have to look to the chart. Yeah, from the technical point of view. If the project is dead, yeah, from XCP, we have no influence of this. Yeah, but if you look here to the technical point of view, from this, yeah, from technical point, then you can see we have here a really big, big, big triangle that gets closer and closer. The price will explode here. Yeah, you can see. But not the explosion what the Moon Boys said. I would say after touching the downtrend here, or down areas, yeah, the price will pendling here at these levels. Yeah, people not realize what's happening, but in real, you can see. Look, please to look to the day, 27th of March 2023. Yeah, the people get here frustrated. Why? Because the price is going only sideways, nothing happening. But in real, we break this structure, yeah, to the right side, and after that, the price will charge his battery, and then the price is going to the upside. So I go to the next question. You don't expect a pullback to 34,000. You mean the Bitcoin price? I think we'll switch back to Bitcoin. So 34,000, you mean? Let's look. Uh, I think it is too late. Yeah, that we going from this point to 34,000 is too late. Of course, the bulls can stretch this, but in my eyes, we lose time. We have not so much time because the time is running, and every day I have a bigger smile in my face because the price is staying sideways, and my prediction coming more and more true because Bitcoin tests this level so often. Look here, one time, two time, nearly three time. We have here a good left shoulder head and a right shoulder, but forget it. Bitcoin break his uptrend, and all the energy what Bitcoin makes here is go to the garbage. Yeah, look, all the things, all the energy is going away. The price is going here to the downside. Maybe the retest to this level, 30,000. For me, it's no matter. Yeah, the price could also go here to 31,000. Forget it. Yeah, the price is broke. The price will break here down and very painful. So I go to the next. Okay, double scat back. Say, guys, listen up. Wolf saved me back before the big 2021 crash. I bought back in the summer and made bank. Love your work, Wolf. Thank you, Beck. If I save your money, then I'm also smiling here. If I can help you, yeah. And that's the point from this channel. This channel is not a blah blah channel like the Moonboy channel. This channel is more from the statistical point of view, yeah, from the technical point of view. Yeah, we're talking about the technical facts, naked facts, yeah, not blah blah and so on. I show you really the technical point of view. So if it goes to lower value, shouldn't it go up to 35 first? No, no. Why the subscriber before you asked the same question? He said, okay, why is the price is not going to 34,000? Why you think that we have the energy to go to 35,000? You are in that way right. We have here at 36,000 a really good area. Look here, 36,000 here, 34, 35, 6,000. Yeah, that was the level in which Bitcoin stays a little bit. Yeah, you can see one time, two time, three time breaks to the downside. Yes, but the problem is we could go here to these levels, but in the end of the day we will fall. Yeah, for me it's no matter how far we can go. Yeah, but you are right. Yeah, if we have the normal structure, but the structure here is broke. Yeah, if we have here normal structure like this here, if we're going sideways, you are right. But we're going not sideways, we're going here to the downside. And that's the point that also the retest is lower. Yeah. So I go to the next question. It's a long question. Please keep you short. One question is, how long do you think it will take to recover to new highs? The question is regarding XRP. I showed you this a few minutes ago that we need the time to until 2025, also for XRP. So yes, you are right. XRP will win. SEC is only political. Yeah, this is only they. How can I say? It's my view. It's my personal view. I think this is political. They stretch some questions, yeah, so that the price can trade in the low areas, yeah. In the end of the day, the price will go here to the upside. I watched many YouTubers and they always said that Bitcoin would go up before a big downside. No, now they have no clue. I show you the reason. The good thing is, or how can I start here at this for of your question? You said that many of the YouTubers they said the price of Bitcoin will go up before the big downtrend begins. We already make this uptrend. Yeah, the Moon Boys and the YouTubers live in the past history. Yeah, and my channel or subscribers of my channel live in the future. And this is the difference between these channels. The YouTubers, the Moon Boys, mean this. This has already happened. They live in the past. And then the downtrend is this here. Yeah, this is the fact. So um, one question is, if 2025, then it would seem pointless investing unless you are trading. I would say it is a huge opportunity here. You have to not wait until 2025. The big move comes here at 2025, but you will get here a lot of opportunities to make here money. Yeah? So that's not the point that you cannot make nothing here. Yeah? So I think is a lot of possibilities to go here to the upside. Yeah, imagine the price is 15,000 and the price goes here to, let's say, 36,000, then you have a difference of 20,000. So I think it's a lot of opportunities to make profits until 2025. I would not wait to 2025. I think the really big bull run start at 2025, but um, we have here a lot of opportunities to make profits. So I think we will see here huge left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the really uptrend will begin between 2000, I would say mid of 2024 and 25. So we're looking here, I would say, to Queen T and some other really hot cryptos. So we're looking here to more insight. I would also say, yeah, Chile is a candidate to explode. People who have my membership know how far Chilis can go to the upside. Yeah, you will wondering yourself, dude, this is not normal. Yeah, how far these coins can go. So also the Queen T, you can see we are at this point, and I think if you look here to the Queen T chart, then you can also recognize that here we are also in a triangle, and that's very danger. Even if we have the possibility to break out from this to this level, yeah, that not means that the price will not fall here to the downside. Yeah, because the vaults use this sometimes to form this here. Yeah, you believe, okay, the negative channel is here. We are out of this negative channel. Yeah, you are happy and say, okay, wow, we are out of this channel. But at the end of the day, the price break the structure here. This is our uptrend. Break the structure and go here massive to the downside. That's the trick what the vaults make. In my eyes, I'm honest to you, this is maybe 10, 20, 30% can happen. In my eyes, we already failed, and you can see the price is going here to the downside. Test one time, yeah. Test the second time, the third time, and the fourth time we have no energy. Yeah, you can see even if you have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, the problem is you can see what happens here. Yeah, test, 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 break, test, and then downtrend. We can also look into RSI. Here, the RSI is also broke. Even if you have here good structure, even if you have here a very wonderful uptrend here, you can see in my eyes, Cointi and also Bitcoin already lost. Yeah. So we could be looking here. Okay, very interesting questions. So how far we can go here at the Cointi price? Yes, we will fall. My original prediction was $30 for Cointi, and we will landing here at these levels. Yeah. So, but the final target for Cointi is something I would say between $12 and $10. If the Bitcoin price come very massive to the downside. So we're looking here. The next question is: will Ethereum get bigger than BTC? Yes, I will. Yeah, I would say the same. If you look to the Ethereum price, look here. you have, as trader, you have more opportunities to get more pieces from Ethereum, yeah, because the price of Bitcoin is already expensive, but you have here the possibility to get Ethereum price to 1972. But this is not the end target. The end target is much lower. Yeah. But people who have my membership know how far we can go here to the downside. But the benefit, or that what you can get as gains, yeah, as profit, I think at Ethereum we have more possibility to make more money than at the Bitcoin price, because if the price is falling to the downside, we have here more potential to the upside. Yeah, this people who have my membership, they know how far we can go here to the upside. So I see Ethereum really explosive. Like this, look, this was also a hammer, a pre-step, and this pre-step, this simple pre-step, look, this is not the bull run. This is a pre-step. I explain you this again. Pre-step. Look how far the pre-step is. 200 to 5,000. Then you can imagine what happens when the release step is coming with a bull run. Yeah. Then you understand what is coming. Yeah. So I would say we're going to the next question. I think the regulations will be coming. I read the question. Regulations will be coming with end of this XRP case. What do you think about the ISO 22202 coins? I not know the coin, yeah, ISO 22202, but what I can say to you regarding regulation is uh, the vaults are not stupid, yeah. They want your money, yeah. The big boys, they want your money. So what they can do, okay, they know, okay, the price will go 2025 to the upside, yeah. I make a simple um, marker. So the price is going here to the upside, yeah. Only example here, and exact here 3 or 4 months before they make regulations, yeah. And due to these regulations, they can um, steer the market, yeah. And then due to the regulation, the price of the coins will go here to the downside, yeah. This is one effect. The second effect is due to the regulation, maybe they bring new um, regulation for Bitcoin, regulation for Ethereum, regulation for other things, and so that the crypto market can collapse really hard to the downside. So I go to the next question. Yeah, we can look to the flow a little bit later. Okay, a very good question. I will also make a 25 video analysis about this 25 cryptos that has really good performance at 2025. The question is here, which altcoins will survive and which one shall we hold until 2025, 2026? Exact this question. I want make videos about this cryptos that has really good trends or big gains. 25 of these cryptos. One subscriber asked me, yeah, and say, could you give me the best 25 cryptos that has really potential at 2025. Why we know this? Oh, the people who make here technical analysis, or the good technical analysis people, because these people know that we have here a really big hammer, yeah, and this really bull run will take also 4 years, yeah, and this is big. What coming is big. This is the end. How can I say, end cycle? Yeah, this was only a pre-cycle, and this end cycle, the cryptos will come in the mainstream. Yeah, the people getting crazy. Yeah, but people who are smart, they invest. Yeah, the stupid people invest here at 2023 or 24. Yeah, the smart people invest here. Yeah, I go to the next crypto. You understand? So here's key news. Thank you. What will happen if with Luna when Bitcoin drop to 9,000? Luna will go to zero. So, okay. Um, Please make that video public, Wolf. Yes, the video is public, that everyone can get educated. Okay. Yes, thank you. The video is public. This is getting online later. So, yeah, you say ISO 22202 regulated coins are IOTA, XCP, XML, Quant, and so on. I think you are right. The regulation is coming. Yeah, but this will affect the regulation will affect later after the rising of these coins. Yeah, that many people invest their money in IOTA, XRP, or Quant. Yeah, and then the regulation is coming, and then the price is coming back. Yeah, this is the effect of this regulation. And the vaults they invest here 2022 or 2023, they make a lot of money and profit, and they selling, and the stupid people buying here 2024. You said to me, what's your ultimate downside for Ethereum? Please come to my membership, then you can see exactly how the lowest price for Ethereum is. So let's look to Luna. If you have questions, please write this in the comment field so that we can discuss this. I have today not so much special topics. I answer only the question what you write me on the chat. No, I not skip your question. Such questions I answer in my memberships. So let's look to Luna. So let's look what we have here. So Luna friends, what happens here? Um, we have here at the Luna price a very good um, a left shoulder head and a right shoulder, but the problem here is this is not good. We will go here to the downside, and I think this here is long-term good, short-term negative. Now you can see here, look. Here you can see left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation all is zero. Yeah, you not seeing this here on this chart, but in the end of the day, we will see something like that. But in my eyes, I would say that we will see something like that. The price of Luna could go end of June, July to the upside. But the question is how far we can go. Let me look. We have here this constellation. But this downtrend. So I would say we have here a really big uptrend. And this, what I draw here, is happening at these levels here. You will not see this with your own eyes. I think we will see something like that here. A really bad left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. And then we have to look, yeah, because the base here is from Luna here. So it could happen if they make something with Luna, yeah, burning tokens or blah blah, yeah, that the price could go to these levels back, yeah. But this is huge. If something goes from 0 to 12 or 13, um, yeah. But they have to make something. So if they make nothing, the price will not go here to the upside. But from the technical point of view, we have here a really a good base so that we could make a retest at 15 or $14. But they have to make something, burning some coins or something like that. So so one question is how many years trading experience you have. I have so much. Yeah, I'm a old man. I'm not a moon boy that is uh, that make something 1 year or something like that. Yeah, so I have my own experience, collect my own experience. Yes, I give you right. Uh, Luna is the most manipulated coin ever. Yes, this is was this was a ball, and the walls play with this ball. Yeah, they need the Luna to take the Bitcoin price to the downside. That was the reason. Yeah, they have no arguments with Bitcoin. They thought, okay, how we can get the Bitcoin price to the downside. They think, okay, how we can make this, and then they make something like, yeah, how can I say so? Uh, the word is not in my head at the moment. Yeah, that some relationship, yes, some relations with Luna and Bitcoin um, is created. Yeah, and then afterwards, then they say, okay, Luna have to sell Bitcoin that the price can go here to the downside. So I would say it's a play of these vaults. We already looked on Luna. Yeah. Do you have any coins that we can look? I'm now free for you. Not sleeping. Ask me something. I'm here for you. So one subscriber said, the walls better not coming to this channel. Yes, because the experience shows that the walls lying. They have no reason. Yeah. Or how can I say? If they telling the truth about Bitcoin and other things, yeah, the people not trust. So the if you look exactly what the behavior is, yeah, then you can see that the walls lying to the people. Was also the topic with Luna and Bitcoin. The argument that so many Bitcoins have to sell that Luna, um, yeah, the construct of Luna is working or something like that is stupid. Yeah, that's not the reason. Bitcoin have to go here to the downside to test his borders. So we're looking here some. Let's look to Matic. If you Matic is good. Matic. So also the same like the Quant subscribers. At this point here, I warn the Matic holder at $2. The price will go here to the downside. No reaction. Dislikes and so on. You can see the price is breaking from this triangle to the downside. I calculate here a really hard drop. Let's look more inside, then you understand this better. Here, same game. This was our uptrend, and look what happens. Luna is falling out of range. Look here, triangle, test, 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 fall, retest. Yeah. Now we have to wait a little bit. Maybe we could break here this structure to the upside. What I not think. I think we will go more sideways, and then the next move is coming here to the downside. So let's look. So and let's look how far we can go here at the Matic. Very bad. Over 30% we will go here to the downside. Target of Matic. I'm not calculate this exactly. Something like that. The price of Matic will go and smash to the downside. Please come to my membership. Then you can request, and I can give you an exact timeline about the Matic price. Which is the best time to buy. Yeah, it make no sense if you buy at 30 cent and the price is going to these levels. Yeah, 2 cent, and you have here a lot of losses. So we're looking here more. So all I cannot make, but we could make a cadena. People committed suicide because of Luna lose. So no exchangeable fever. Yeah, it's so sad. This is sad information about that people uh, lose all their money. Yeah, this is the sad thing. Let's look to Cadena, then we're looking to other. So Okay, I look here to I look if I can find here a good this is good, a good chart here. Yeah, very extreme is one of the good cryptos. Yeah, but you have to keep in your mind the price is coming from 30 cent. Yeah, and goes to $30. So same game. The price explodes here. We have to go back to our base. The base is here at these levels. Yeah. So I think let's look at a little bit special formation. No, the price will smash to the downside. If I look here, it is a little bit, it looks like a hammer, but this is not a hammer. Yeah. The moon boys, they have to learn this. Yeah. They look to this and they say, okay, it's a hammer. Good, the price could go to these levels here. Yeah, but in the real, this is not a hammer. This is a manipulated hammer. And that's the people not that is what people not so realize and understand this. I show you why this is not a hammer. We already break here the structure here. That is the reason why this is not a hammer here. So we make this fat at these levels. So you want to know how far we can go here to the downside. I would say we're going to nearly zero. I would say 20 cent, 30 cent or something like that. Yeah. That what is coming is like that. Yeah, you can see $4 to $3 really smash to the downside. This is also, how can I say, also a downtrend, but the world stretched this to the right side. So we're looking here to this PNB. So Binance Coin is one of the fake risings, and they have no value. Yeah. So in my eyes, um, there are more Binance user. Okay, Binance is one of the first and the biggest crypto exchanges, but this has no value. Yeah. And if I look to this here, then I would expect if I look to this, yeah, then the price could smash to these levels. Yeah, so I expect that the price will go here to $30, and the vaults make this. They want that the price should fall here to the downside because then they can buy this, and the price of Binance Coin will explode like this, very extreme to the upside. But I think uh, Binance Exchange is not a serious. Yeah, it's not a exchange that we should take this very serious. Yeah, because in the past they lying to their customers. Yeah, take their customer not serious, and this coin has no future. Yeah, in the bull run, yes, you'll make a little bit profits. Yeah, but this coin will not survive the big crash, I think, 2026, 2028, 29. This will not survive. This is going to zero. So, thank you if you get the membership, okay? Let's look to if you want to sell. If you have any questions, please write this. So we have here the cello. Let's look what we have here. Okay, we have here more information. Let's take this. Also here a good crypto, but wrong time. You can see we already break the lowest level of cello, and it's dangerous for you to rethink about cello if you want to invest here or not. Yeah, because it makes no sense. The structure is break, and seller give us the signs. I'm weak. I have to go here to the downside. You can see this only a retest, and the price will go here to the downside. So do you have other questions? J. Monroe asked me, the question is not so exact. I listen you when I first seen you on channel. Could you write this sentence then? Okay, the question is curve. Okay, let's look to curve. I will finish in 7 minutes, so you can ask me 7 minutes. So, do you want the performance of curve? Same possibility or same structure like before. We already break the structure to the downside, so you will see that the price of curve will go here. Let's look exactly what we have here. This is not so good structure. Yeah, the price of curve will go to 15 cent, 50 cent. So if you ask me if has curve potential to the upside, then I would say yes, yeah, because we have here huge triangle, and the price will explode short term, but not like this. We cannot expect that the price is going from 70 cent to $7. No, we will get here a retest, yeah, something like that, and the price could go between $3 and $4. Then the big sell-off is coming again. Yeah. Then the walls won't stretch these formations. Yeah, they don't want that you make money. So they make only sideways movement, and then 2024 the big bull run. Let's look to dollar. If I can get, or if it is possible to show the dollar here, it's not possible here to look. Yeah, but let's look. Maybe we get. I try once. If it is not working, then okay. We see here the dollar index. Okay. So we look into the dollar currency. So what is the question? What about the US dollar chart? Okay. We have here a chart over 50 years. So we have to look. This cycle you can forget. For us is this cycle important. Yeah. So um, if I look to this, I see at the moment not so much good signs. So the possibility that the Bitcoin price is going to the upside is big at the moment, yeah. But we have here since 2000 a special construct. So if I look to this, then I see, let me look. If I look to this, then I see this structure here. Huge left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. And that means the dollar will go here to the upside. Here. Yeah. We have also a long-term resistant here. So at 122 we have here resistant, but I think we will break this resistance to the upside, yeah, like this. So the next target could go here to these levels. Yes, because this is, you have to look, the reason why I said this to you, we have here a huge W pattern. And this here is not the same like this. This was a pre-step, a hammer, and this could go really hard to the upside. So we're looking here to next. So the first time I seen your channel, you said that I was going down. I didn't believe you. I didn't believe you Moon boys were wrong. Yeah, you not believe me. Yeah. Jay Muro asked me, the first time I seen you on channel, you said that I was going down. I didn't believe you. Moon boys were wrong. Yes. You not believe me. Let's look. And was I right or wrong? Yeah. I said to you the price of yeah. Let's look for the. Let's give a conclusion about the situation that the subscribers can understand. So at these levels here, Theta was $12 here. At $12, I said the price of Theta will go here to $2. The Theta holder not believe me, and you can see that now the price is lower, yeah. And in these areas, I give a new target, and the new target is that Theta will go here to these levels here, 50 cent, yeah, or lower, yeah. So if you want this exactly, please come the membership. Yeah. Now you see that the prediction is coming true, but people will wondering themselves how far we will go here to the upside. If this project is not dead, yeah, this is explode, will explode, yeah, because this is I see here some very special construct, and look, if the pre-step is going from here 60 cent to $16, then you have to wake up. But it's no financial advice. This is only my personal favorite here, and this is Theta is hot. Yeah. So, but I give you no financial advice. You have to look with your own experience. But I can say to you one thing: you need the time. Yeah, it's not so that the price explodes here to $16 and you are happy. No, the vaults will stretch this so that you have then after 2 or 3 years no energy. Yeah, you said okay, the price is going to 50 cent and so on, $1 and blah blah. And you have no energy and say, okay, I sell Theta, but this is wrong. The price will explode. Yeah. So yes, one subscriber say to me, look here, Ryan Halfcap. Ha, I also didn't believe Wolf when QNT was around $250. His bearish prediction felt so unreal. Yeah, but look, I said to you at $250, the price of QNT will go to $30. And look, the price of QNT is going to 30.68, but prediction is here 26 at the moment. Yeah, yeah. Welcome, Jay Moreau. If you want a membership, come and then find out how far the price can go here to the upside. So I would say I'm going in direction finish. I would answer to 2 questions, then I would finish the video. Please ask me 2 questions. So please share the videos to your friends and family so that the channel can grow. If more people look to the channel, then it's also for me good, because then I would really invest my time for this channel. If only 50 people or 100 people look to the channel, it's not so interesting for me because I have other tasks. But if this channel getting really hot, like 20,000 views or 30,000 views, then I would really invest my time. It's also good for you because then you get more information from my side. So thank you again for your time and effort. We will see what happens next, but I'm considering to upgrade my membership when Bitcoin really hits those 16,000, 9,000. Okay, then you can update your membership because the price of Bitcoin will go to 16,000. Do you think that Ethereum will reach 700? I think yes. This was the first question, and the next question is the last question. Good evening. Okay. One last question. Thank you for your time. Thank you for enjoying the live stream. I need a last question. last question. Who is the man or woman who asked me the last question? Thank you, Beck. I need the last question from you. Okay, then the last question was Zap. So, who? What is this? So, the trend is good. Trend goes to the upside. We have a upla. I'm too fast. So, we have here a positive trend channel, and we have time until 2024. Yeah, um, we have time to 2024, and you can see the positive trend channel. That means if we're going in direction of bull run, then this SAP has potential to $1. Yeah, this is the positive trend channel here. So the question here is, um, will the price go in direction of zero? Let's check this. So if I look to this here, then I would expect more downtrends. Yeah, forget the 646. I would say that the price, if I look to this, I would expect that the price is falling to these levels here. Yeah, and after this, the price will go here to the upside because we have here signs of spike here. Yeah, that's good. If you see these spikes, short-term negative, that's the reason why the price is falling. Long-term positive, so that the price, I think, will make here left shoulder head and a right shoulder and will go here to the upside. Yeah. So I would say I finish here. Thank you for watching, and please get the membership, become a membership, so that you can see how the end target is, how far we can fall or drop to the downside. In the Wolf performance, you get every month the free best cryptos from my side, which has really uh, potential to the upside. In the Wolf penny stocks, you get the cryptos that has lower value like this. Yeah, value, not the value. The price is low. Yeah, not the value. And which has really potential to the upside. Yeah, like here, you can see the price is 0.006, and I see here potential until $1. Yeah, and if you break here the positive structure, then a second channel will create it, and the price will go more to the upside. Yeah. So in the Wolf Exclusive Club is so many of the people are a little bit confused about this membership, but general information for you. I have a presentation on my channel. There you can look. The Wolf Exclusive Club is you can request 4, 8, 10, 20 cryptos, but every crypto request costs. Yeah, if you request 4, then you pay free. Is a offer for you. Yeah, I think if you request 4, then you pay free. It's a good offer for you. The Wolf price target, if you are invested in a crypto very big, is the one analyze for you that you say, okay, for XRP, for example, I'm not selling my XRP. I hold my XRP, and I know, okay, in 2 years we have a good possibility to go here to the upside. Yeah. So I would say I finish, and thank you for your time and have a nice evening. Goodbye.